Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5045E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just under 200 hours on it. It's like new, mechanically and cosmetically. It's got the canopy top with it, and again the quick attach H240 loader. It's got the the John Deere style quick attach up front here, 6-foot bucket with the heavy duty bucket. Again, the John Deere style hookups, front grill guard, the mid hose connections. It's got the 9.3 transmission. You got 3 gears in reverse here to the right. On the left you've got 3 ranges. Also have your 4-wheel drive and PTO engagement there to the left of the seat. 3-point and hydraulic controls here to the right of the seat. Tires are in nice shape. Telescopic 3-point arms, which are a nice option. Rear hydraulic outlet, 540 PTO. Very, very clean tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please give us a call.